Good morning, dear students. Today in GK session, we'll start with the chapter 12 and chapter 13. First, let's go through with the chapter 12, that is United Nations, the hope and the conscience of the world. In this, we have to tick the correct answers. Okay, in this chapter, it's a quiz type question that you have to tick it. The first one is, which organization for the world peace was established before UNO? The answer is League of Nations. It was formed in 1937 and later became part of the United Nations at the Commission on the Status of the Woman. The convenant of the League said little about economics. Nonetheless, in 1920, the Council of the League called for a financial conference, and in 1923, a permanent economic and financial organization came into being. Next is, when was UN established? UN was established on 24th October 1945. Third, who is the Secretary General of UN? That is Antonio Guterres. It was formed. Antonio is a Portuguese politician serving since 2017 as the 9th Secretary General of the United Nations. He served as the President of the Socialist International from 1999 to 2005. Fourth question. To which country does the current Secretary General belong? Answer is Portugal. Portugal is the westernmost sovereign state in the mainland Europe, bordered to the west and the south by the Atlantic Ocean and to the north and the east by Spain. Fifth question. How many countries are the members of the UN? Means United Nations. 193 countries. 6. Which country is the latest member of the UN? 6th is, which country is the latest member of the UN? Is South Sudan. The South Sudanese population is composed mostly of Nilotic peoples, and it is demographically among the youngest nations in the world, with roughly half under the main species of life. 7th, what are the headquarters of UN located? Where are the headquarters of UN located? It is located in New York. The United Nations is headquartered in New York City in a complex designed by a board of architects led by Wallace Harrison and built by the architectural firm. 8th, when UN come into being, a charter was signed on 26th June 1945 at San Francisco. By how many countries was it signed? 5th is, when UN came into being, a charter was signed on 26th June 1945 at San Francisco. By how many countries was it signed? 50 countries was signed. In which year did Taiwan lose its primary membership to Communist China? In year 1971. Taiwan was a province of China, is completely not qualified and has no right to participate in it. Due to the well-known reasons, the Taiwan authorities illegally usurped China's UN seat for as long as 22 years. In October 1971, the 26th session of the UN General Assembly passed resolution number 2758. 10th is, how many permanent members are there in Security Councils? How many? 5 members. 5 members are there in Security Council. Next. 11th question is, who coined the term United Nations? Answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Franklin Roosevelt, he created numerous programs to provide relief to the unemployed and farmers while seeking economic economic recovery with the National Recovery Administrations and other programs. He also instituted major regulatory reforms related to finance, communications, and labor, and presided over the end of the prohibition. Next question 12. Which is the world's largest agency for the multilateral technical and pre-investment cooperation? That is UNDP, means United Nations Development Program. United Nations Development Program was formed in 1965 to help countries eliminate poverty and achieve sustainable human development, an approach to economic growth that emphasizes improving the quality of life of all citizens while conserving the environment and natural resources. 13. 10th December is especially celebrated as 10th December is celebrated as UN Human Rights. The date was chosen to honor the United Nations General Assembly adoption and proclamation on 10th December 1948 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the first global enunciation of human rights and one of the first major achievements of the new United Nations. And the last one is, how many official languages does the UN have? UN means United Nations have 6 official languages. These are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Thank you. Hope you understood the video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.